Today we'll show you how to bulk edit post restrictions quickly using the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin, which allows you to edit hundreds of posts at once, which means that you won't have to open and edit all your posts individually, but you can quickly apply changes to hundreds of posts at once. The best part is that it works with all WordPress membership plugins like Paid Membership Pro, Restrict Content Pro, Members, etc. For this video, we'll use Paid Memberships Pro, which allows you to create membership levels and restrict content for users subscribed to your membership plans. You will also need to download and install the free WP Sheet Editor Paid Membership Pro extension, which will give you full compatibility between both plugins. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. If you want to edit the membership levels for your posts using the spreadsheet, just go to the membership name columns and select the membership levels you want to add to each post. Once you've selected the membership levels for all the posts you want to edit, don't forget to save the changes. If you want to edit only certain posts, you can filter them using the search tool. Once the tool is open, you'll be able to filter your posts by keyword, author, categories, tags, formats, or you can even enable the advanced filters to have more search options. For example, we'll look for all the posts whose author is Matthew Jones, so we'll enter his name here. And run the search. Now let's learn how to bulk edit membership levels for all the selected posts. First, open the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, select the rows that you want to update. In this case, I'll select to edit all the posts from my current search. Find the field to edit, in this case, will be membership levels. Choose Set Value. Now enter the membership levels you want to assign to the selected posts, just separate them by commas. Finally, execute. After applying these values, you will see that the membership levels have been updated for all selected posts. Now let's migrate all selected posts from one membership level to another. For this, open the bulk edit tool. Now select the rows that you want to update. Choose the field membership levels. Pick the replace option. Here, select the membership level you'll remove. And enter here the membership level you'll add. Finally, execute. As you may already know, the Pro Paid membership allows you to assign post categories to membership levels. So to give you an example, we have added the category trend to the silver and golden membership levels, so when we assign the category to our posts, the membership levels will be updated. To show you how it works, let's edit our posts using the bulk edit tool. Here you have to select the rows that you want to update. In this case, I'll edit all from my current search. Look for the field categories. Select the Set Value option here. Now we'll enter the trend category. Finally, execute. Once the changes have been applied, you'll see all the membership levels updated based on the post category. As you could see, editing post restrictions is really easy with the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin. You don't have to spend hours editing the posts one by one because you can quickly edit them using the spreadsheet or using the bulk edit tool. Remember that you'll find the link to download the plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.